Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to do a very glowy, dewy springtime makeup tutorial. Now is the time because I feel like the cold weather just cooled down a little bit here in Nevada, so I just want to start doing my spring makeup tutorial for you guys. I did do a mini haul of new products, and I am going to be using the new products that I purchased and just do along a video with you guys with it. So if you guys are new, my name is Thalia Reyes and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Get started with the video, shall we? Okay, so as you notice, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also prime my eyelid and set it with powder. And the first product I'm going to go over. So first I'm going to start off with the eyes, with the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Toasted palette. So I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Fluffy blending brush, and the first shade I'm going to be taking is this shade called S'mores, which is this one right here. It's more like a creamy shade just to set my eyelid. And let me get a bit closer. I'm just gonna add it all over my eyelid just to like set it and make it more defined on my eyelid. So I'm gonna go over the same thing with the other eye just to make sure everything's all set. Next, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow shade, which is Cashmere, which is this one shade right here. This one seems more like a peachy shade and it seems really pretty, so I'm just gonna apply this as my transition shade. And I'm just gonna go over with the same eye brush. I'm going to be using my, don't know the name of this, but it's my Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to be taking this orange shade, which is more like a deep orange, which is this one right here. Actually, just gonna go lower where's my eyelid. Like kind of in my outer corner. Same thing with the other side. So next, I'm just gonna go back with the Cashmere with my e.l.f. Blending brush, and I'm just gonna mix everything out because I want it to be more light on the eyeshadow. I don't want to be too much going on because it is spring and it's one of those moments that you gotta be more happy, more spring. You got to get the vibe on, you know. So I'm just gonna go in with the other eye as well. I'm gonna go back with my fluffy brush, and I'm gonna be taking S'mores, and I'm just gonna blend it on the top just to get rid of the edges. Next, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to spray my brush. And I'm going to be taking Candle, which is this shade right here. And I'm actually going to add it in my inner corner. The other eye, I'm just going to go in the inner corner. That is it for the eyes. Now we're going to start off with her face. I'm going to be taking my Vajean Labs Restore, and I'm going to take 3 drops of this, and I'm just going to add it on right here and then on my forehead as well. And then I'm just gonna like massage it gently, not too hard, just massage it with love, because I do want it to be very springy, very dewy, very fresh, you know. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Paris Magic Lummi Infusing Primer. Massage it gently, same thing. For foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match Luminous foundation. This one is the shade Classic Ivory. I'm going to be taking my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to spray my sponge just to give it more like a kind of like a freshy, dewy look on my face. I'm just gonna blend everything out. So next, I'm going to be taking my Nars concealer, and this one is the shade Light 2 Vanilla. And then I'm going to apply it down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to apply it on my chin and on my forehead as well. And I'm just going to blend it with the same beauty sponge. Just keep on blending. I really love this concealer so much. I didn't struggle like to blend it in, because I know some concealers it's difficult to blend. But this Nars concealer is just absolutely amazing. Love. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Lock-It powder, and this one is golden shade. I'll be taking my Wet n Wild brush powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Set my nose, my chin, my forehead as well. Really like this powder so far. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my Hoola contour stick from Benefit. It's very small, don't laugh, but I got it at the little kit that comes with it. So I just want to see how this turns out, because it's actually my first time. If it's really good, then I'll definitely purchase the full-size product. Start from here, and just gonna line it up. It's very creamy. You can tell, you can feel like it's very creamy. And then I'm just gonna add it on my forehead as well. Just like lines a little bit. I do have a tiny forehead, and probably like my jawline, just a little bit. I'm going to take my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. See how that turns out. So, ooh, that blends so quickly. love this so far. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, honestly, this is absolutely amazing. I did not struggle at all. Not bad, I like it. So next I'm going to be taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and this is what the shade looks like. And I'm gonna try it with the brush, see how good this is. Next, for blush, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just Glowing. And it also has this light pink shade of it, and I feel like this is absolutely gorgeous for spring, for any time, but I just love this color. And it gives that very glowy highlighting in it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Next, for highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Benefit highlighter, and this one is Soft Focus. So I've never tried cream highlighter, and this is actually going to be my first time. So I don't know how to start with this. I'm probably going to take my finger. It is very, very creamy, just to let you know, and it's very beautiful, the shade. So I'm just going to take it like on my finger and just like pat it. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Just like pat it everywhere, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing, but my nose as well. And then I'm going to take it on the Cupid's toe right here. So next, I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm going to apply eyeliner, which is my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And this one is the shade Black, because this is like a very thin applicator, and I just recently purchased this, and I'm so excited to use it. But then again, I'm very nervous because I'm still practicing to apply eyeliner. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know how this works. But I'm gonna apply it, see how that turns out. So I did my best applying the eyeliner. You can see it kind of like screw up a little, but I'll fix it at the end. So next, I'm going to be taking my Superhero Cosmetic Mascara. And then next, I'm going to go back with my Tarte palette to be taking Cashmere, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to apply it on under lash line. And then next, I'm going to be taking Warmth, which is this shade right here. Then I'm just going to be taking this brush right here. I'm just going to take Candle. And then this candle, I'm just going to take it in my inner corner all the way down. I'm going to be taking my Innocence lip, and this one is the Sheer Shine 12 shade. And I'm just going to add a little bit mascara on my bottom lashes. To apply my Mario spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really love how this turned out. It turned out very pretty, very dewy, very glowy look, especially with the lip color. It's just like I got the spring vibe going. Anyways, in the eyes, I just did like a peachy eyeshadow with some glitter in it, you know, and just like the pink lipstick just to get the vibe on, get the spring on, you know guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. I really love the products that I purchased, and when I'm done with the small size, I'm definitely going to get the bigger size. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.